Binalonan. This quiet town may seem modest at first glance, but beneath its calm charm lies a story rich in heritage. Long before modern roads connected it to nearby cities, Binalonan was already a thriving settlement. Its name is believed to have come from Pangasinan word Nalonan, meaning place abundant with crops, reflecting its deep agricultural roots. During the Spanish colonial era, Binalonan was formally established as a municipality, growing steadily as a center of trade and community life in Pangasinan. Places to visit would be Bas Valley Farm, Jupo Farm, the heritage tour that includes old churches and century-old acacia trees. Let's not forget Mount Paldingan Trail and the Stations of the Cross. As for food, they are known for Binalong Ganisa, their signature sausage. Binalonan may not be the loudest destination on the map, but that's exactly its charm. It invites you to slow down, to connect, and to discover beauty in simplicity.
So we are here at Santa Catalina Integrated School in Binalonan, Pangasinan. We are going to go up Mount Paldingan tomorrow, care of RD Cram, who is the sponsor of this, who's the RD of this particular race. So not a lot of participants, but it's going to be a good and exciting run because it's not a mountain that a lot of people go up to. So let's see how it looks like tomorrow.
3, 2, 1.
We're lead of the pack now.
Oh yes!
Lead! Maji mo, Jukes! Kargado!
Kakarga ba to? Kakarga?
So yeah, our official sweeper of the day. I'll join him. And ambulance at the back. Woo!
This mountain offers a short yet rewarding escape into nature, perfect for both beginners and seasoned hikers looking for a quick outdoor fix. The trail of Mount Paldingan begins with open paths and farmland views, wide skies, warm sun, and the peaceful rhythm of the countryside in Pangasinan. As you move forward, the terrain dramatically shifts, from grassy slopes to shaded sections lined with trees, offering moments of cool relief. With every step, the landscape unfolds a quiet beauty of rural life below. The ascent is steep, a 4-kilometer trail with 660 meters of elevation gain. It's a kind of hike that lets you slow down, breathe, and truly take in your surroundings. And then you reach the summit. Up here, Mount Paldingan rewards you with sweeping views of the Pangasinan plains, fields stretching endlessly. Framed by distant mountain ranges, it's simple, raw, and incredibly calming. No crowds, no noise, just the wind, the view, and the feeling of being present. A gem in Binalonan.
Just the nice short talk with Jokes and trying to get a feel of what's like in the sweeper's lane. It's quite therapeutic if you ask me. It's very peaceful and steady. There's a mountain, I think. It's a beautiful trail so far. I haven't been here, so everything's new for me. And just guessing based on the profile. Yeah, it's gonna be hot later. So I'm torn between taking it easy or trying to beat the heat. I don't know. Look how steep it is. Crazy. Yep. Another crazy steep uphill. Campsite. Looks pretty decent. Look how steep it is. Lots of this. It's a good leg workout. Oh, nice. Look at this.
So I think we made it to the summit. You can see here, this is Zambales. Cordillera Mountains there towards the north, and the Caballo mountain ranges on the right. Not bad. Not bad for a quick workout. Not to mention it's kind of steep too, but pretty good.
Actually, this is the summit, but the platform is not, accessible. So, but you can see the mountain range from here. Beautiful. The trail is really runnable. Yeah, it's nice. Surprisingly, I didn't expect this on Pangasinan, or probably I just don't know much. Really, probably the latter. But it's getting hot, and you can also easily get lost here.
Take a little time, I believe it's all behind. One more song.
So we're almost at the finish line. Came from there. It's a quick race. Not so bad. It's just a bit steep on the uphill, but pretty good.
Fast race.